Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create a Fiverr account. So, open your browser and search for fiverr.com. Here you can see this first website, click on it. You can see here we have two options. One is join and the other is to become a seller. If you want to buy a service, then click on join. But if you want to sell your services, then click on become a seller. Here you will be presented with several sign up options including signing up with your email, Google account, Facebook account or Apple ID. So choose the option that works best for you. Now fill in the required information such as email address and password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure and then click on continue. Here you have to provide a username. Make sure to choose a username that reflects your brand or the services you will be offering and then click on create account. And now you have successfully registered for a Fiverr account. Now check your email inbox for a verification code from Fiverr and then enter that code here like this. You can see here now the account is created, so you can start setting up your seller profile and create gigs to showcase your services. By following these steps, you will be able to create an account on Fiverr. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.